guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video हम बात करने वाले हैं मेरे quarantine/lockdown essentials के बारे में. The other day I was scrolling through YouTube and I found out Aditi's video, that quirky miss video, where she was talking about her lockdown essentials. So I decided to do it in my way and show you guys what my lockdown essentials are. वो कौन से product हैं which are helping me survive this lockdown. So if you're interested in knowing them, then please keep on watching. But before starting this video, if you're someone who's watching me for the very first time, consider subscribing. नीचे एक रेड कलर का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, उस पर क्लिक कर दो. ऑल्सो क्लिक ऑन द नोटिफिकेशन बेल राइट नेक्स्ट टू इट so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. For me on Instagram, this is my handle right here and this is how my Instagram looks like. And now let's get started. We have a couple of products from skincare, hair care, personal care and बाकी सब ऐसे ही miscellaneous है, few are food. Anyways, from the skincare section I have the Himalayas Purifying Neem Face Wash. इसको मैंने चैनल पे पता नहीं कितनी बार दिखाया हुआ है. आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. तो टी सुबह शाम दिन रात मुझे फेस वॉश करना है. हिमालय का नीम फेस वॉश इट हैज़ टू बी. इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस जेल बेस्ड फेस वॉश, डज नॉट ड्राई आउट माई स्किन व्हाटसोएवर. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इट इज़ सूटेबल फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप्स एंड ट्रस्ट मी, मैंने इसको रिलीजियसली पूरे लॉकडाउन में सुबह और शाम यूज़ किया है एंड माई स्किन हैज़ क्लियर्ड आउट. आई हैव नो पिम्पल्स व्हाटसोएवर एंड इतनी पिम्पल फ्री मेरी स्किन कभी भी नहीं हुई थी. सो क्लियरली माई स्किन इज लविंग दिस फेस वॉश एंड ऑल्सो दिस लॉकडाउन. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट आई हैव इज फ्रॉम द हेयर केयर सेक्शन. दिस इज मामा अर्थ's टी ट्री हेयर मास्क. नाउ आपको पता है दैट आई टेंड टू सफर फ्रॉम सीजनल डैंड्रफ. आई हैव ऑल्सो डन अ वीडियो ऑन हाउ आई गॉट रिड ऑफ माई डैंड्रफ. आई वुड लिंक इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, जस्ट in case you're interested to find out. Coming back, ये वो एक particular hair mask है that I have been using constantly, like probably twice a week in this lockdown, and my scalp has never been so clean. I have no dandruff whatsoever and my hair feels so nice, so soft, pampered. बहुत अच्छी feeling आ रही है. by God, मैं भी इतना constantly use करती जितना मैं अभी इसको use करती हूँ. मैं definitely on and off use करती थी, but अभी मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा consistent हूँ इसके साथ, since we have all the time around the world. Anyways, this retails for 599 rupees, which I think is a little expensive but also so worth it because ये एक बहुत बड़ा डब्बा है and I think इसमें से like for my hair length minimum, like a minimum of about 40 hair masks आप easily कर सकते हैं. So which is a really nice deal. टी ट्री में बहुत सारे antibacterial, antifungal properties होती हैं, so you can definitely use this if you're suffering from dandruff, flaky scalp. I assure you that your dandruff is not coming back. The next product that I have is a personal care product and it's like a unisex product. इसको देख के ना मुझे बहुत सारी बचपन की यादें याद आ जाती है. It is the Dermicool's Prickly Heat Powder. The variant that I have is Soothing Lavender. I still remember I used to sprinkle it all over me after shower and then wear my uniform and then go to school. And I mean, so many memories connected to this. I cannot survive summers without this powder. इसके सारे वेरिएंट्स मैंने ट्राई कर रखे हैं. वहाँ पे एक येलो वाला भी पड़ा है. I have also tried the original green one. That is also amazing. But this particular one is absolutely nice. It cools you instantly. It has some antibacterial properties too, and above all it smells divine. Like इसको लगाने के बाद you feel like you have sprinkled some really good quality perfume on, which is a really nice thing. And ये वाले particular के साथ तो मुझे एक Dettol भी free मिला था, so like as Indian as I can get. I really like this powder and the deal behind it. It retails for 115 rupees for about 120 grams of product. And I mean, this is my best friend. Moving on to the next product that I have, these are mini cocktail napkins. You get about, like basically these are tissue papers. You get about 100 napkins at a price of about 30 rupees, which I feel is amazing. In fact, मेरे ना cotton pads खत्म हो गए थे during this lockdown and I could not really order them because I live in a red zone. मतलब मैं order कर सकती थी नायका से, but I did not really want to risk somebody's life just because I wanted cotton pads. I mean, you get it, right? So उस दिन ना मैंने grocery से like ये pick up किया, and I think these are such multi-purpose products and I have been using them to remove my makeup. I take about 2 tissue papers, put the micellar water into it, and then wipe off my makeup, and it does the job real good. And I think I'm not going back to cotton pads anytime soon, because I think paper is way more gentler on the environment. As long as they get the job done, I don't really mind using tissue paper. Also these are very cost effective. Like मुझे 2 tissue papers रखने हैं पूरा मेरा makeup wipe off करने में, and इसमें 100 आते हैं. That means even if I put on makeup every single day, these are easily going to last me for about 1 month. Use this to wipe out the extra foundation on my brushes sometimes. I also use it to wipe off my mirror. I also use it to sometimes even clean any spillage that happens whatsoever. तो मुझे लगता है ना ये सबके घर पे होने चाहिए, और ये जो पर्टिकुलर वाले हैं ना, these are eco friendly too. तो फिर मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि cotton pads बाय बाय. नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव इज माजा. ना इसको भी देख के ना बचपन की बड़ी सारी यादें याद आ जाती हैं. एंड हम सब लॉकडाउन में हैं, वी ऑल आर स्टक एट आवर होम्स, वी कांट रियली गो आउट सो ऑफन टू बाय एवरीथिंग दैट वी नीड. मैंगोज तो आ रहे हैं, बट जितने मैंगोज आई यूज टू लाइक इन समर्स, लाइक जितने सारे मैं खा सकती थी उतने मैं भी नहीं खा पा रही हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन ऑब्वियसली. सो फिर मैंने आई डिसाइडेड टू पिक दिस माजा अप. दिस एक्चुअली टेस्ट्स लाइक रियल मैंगोज, एंड ये मेरी ना मैंगो की क्रेविंग को काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से फुलफिल कर लेता है. दिस माजा, दिस इज माई फेवरेट, एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट. दिस इज लाइक number 1 when it comes to flavored drinks for me. I feel like sipping it right away also, so excuse me you guys. I feel that Katrina Kaif है ना जो माजा की ऐड करती है, भाई बाय गॉड वैसी वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. एनीवेज हाँ, दिस इज अ बॉटल ऑफ 1.2 लीटर्स एंड दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 70 रुपीज़, विच आई थिंक इज एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. आई नो इसमें प्रिजर्वेटिव्स होंगे, आई नो शुगर कंटेंट बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, बट I mean, this has a really nice soft corner in my heart. Next product that I have are pads. These are Whispers XL Plus, and these are ultra soft. These retail for I think $250. Yeah, $250 for about 30 pads, which I think is amazing. This particular pad, like आप लगा लो और आप कैसे भी सो, लाइक नो मैटर हाउ यू स्लीप इट विल नॉट स्टेन, एंड दैट इज द रीजन आई लव दीज पैड्स. इसमें ग्रीन वेरिएंट भी आता है बाय विस्पर ओनली, बट दैट टेंड्स टू गिव मी रैशेस बिकॉज इट्स अ लिटिल टू प्लास्टिकी फॉर माई लाइकिंग. बट दिस वन इट्स अल्ट्रा सॉफ्ट, so comfortable. Like whenever I go out to buy pads, this is the only pad that I'm looking for, and these are really rare to find. Nykaa पे भी when I was searching the other day, it was out of stock. So yeah, but इसमें ना एक छोटा पैक भी आता है which is I think for 80 rupees for 7 pads. I know it can be a little expensive, but guys try it. Specifically at night आप इसको use करो so that you can sleep comfortably. Now I know that we need to actually not use pads because these are not really good for the environment, but I'm not huge on tampons and menstrual cups yet. Probably in near future, I'm not sure, but as of now this is my favorite pad. ये बहुत लंबा है, it is extra long, it like covers a lot than the regular usual pads, so I think these are amazing. Also they smell really good. Like I don't know if it's weird, but they do smell really nice. Yeah, we are done, and we are done with all the essentials that I had to share with you guys during this lockdown. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. अगर इसमें से आपको like the Himalaya face wash or the hair mask or the Whisper pads, the Nykaa is delivering now. It is also delivering in the red zones too, but guys please do be really mindful of what you are buying. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Lots of love. Bye.